I would like to ask from you a little bit more about you. Can you please share a bit more about your experiences and about yourself?
Thanks, Lucky, for this wonderful opportunity. For me, it's the first time that I'm coming on to such type of an activity of a podcast. So thanks a lot for giving me a platform to also express my thoughts and ideas. So I think you've given a wonderful intro about me. Nothing goes more than whatever you have spoke. So as you have told, I'm with 20 years of experience. I handle multiple genres. So something like the project management, the sales, the customer management, and all of those. Right from beginning, I think last 20 years I've been in the IT sector, predominantly on the captive side. So captives is nothing but the GCCs. GCCs are the global captive centers which have been developed in India, which means that organizations are developing their small pickpockets in India, like basically bigger organizations. The global centers have their presence in most of the giant companies have their presence in US and Europe and all of those. So their small pickpockets are being like developed in India. The development centers are there. So I try to build in more connections with them and try and enhance the operational effectiveness, try and bridge the gap, also try and build in more customers. So that's basically what I've been doing in last 18 to 20 years, starting off with project management, client enhancements, managing their resources and stuff. So that's something about it.